Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can save a page in your Microsoft Loop workspace as a template. For example, to use it as a template for further future pages and projects here in Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your page. Let me go with page number 1 inside that workspace here and fill it with content. You may add various items to it like a Kanban board, tasks, tables, codes, checklists, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to save it as a template, guys, simply click into these 3 dots here in the page overview and select this option, Save Pages Template. After that, you will see an overview of your page, and you may give your template a title, like, I don't know, simply enter the title here. You may also change the icon, and if needed, also add changes. So let's assume you would like to change the order of some of these items. You will see that handle here, so simply left click into it, drag it to the new position and release the mouse there. And in the final step, guys, save it to your gallery by clicking into this button. Wait for the saving process to be finished, and as you can see, the page has been saved as page number 1 template, so that you may access it whenever you create a new page here. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.